Hello friends, you are watching our YouTube channel all about technology, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about mastering Cisco Meraki. Friends, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming technology related videos. So let's go to the mobile screen and discuss in details today's topic. So friends, we are here on the mobile screen and we are going to discuss about Meraki campus lane planning design guidelines and best practices. Introduction. The enterprise campus. The enterprise campus is usually understood as that portion of the computing infrastructure that provides access to network communication services and resources to end users and devices spread over a single geographic location. It might span a single floor building or even a large group of buildings spread over an extended geographic area. Some networks will have a single campus that also acts as the core or backbone of the network and provide interconnectivity between other portions of the overall network. The campus core can often interconnect the campus access, the data center, and WAN portions of the network. In the largest enterprises, there might be multiple campus sites distributed worldwide, with each providing both end user access and local backbone connectivity. From a technical or network engineering perspective, the concept of campus has also been understood to mean the high speed layer 2 and layer 3 Ethernet switching portions of the network outside of the data center. While all of these definitions are concepts of what a campus network is are still valid, they no longer completely describe the set of capabilities and services that comprise the campus network today. The campus network, as defined for the purposes of the enterprise design guides, consists of the integrated elements that comprise the set of services used by a group of users and edge station devices that all share the same high-speed switching communications fabric. These include the packet transport services, both wired and wireless traffic identification and control, security and application optimization, traffic monitoring and management, and overall systems management and provisioning. These basic functions are implemented in such a way as to provide and directly support the higher level services provided by the IT organization for use by the end user community. This document provides best practices and guidelines when deploying a campus LAN with Meraki, which covers both wireless and wired LAN. Wireless LAN planning design guidelines and best practices. Planning is key for a successful deployment and aims in collecting, validating the required design aspects of a given solution. The following section takes you through the whole design and planning process for Meraki wireless LAN. Please pay attention to the key design items and how this will influence the design of lane, but also other components of your architecture. Lane 1 security. Planning your deployment. The following point summarizes the design aspects for a typical wireless lane that needs to be taken into consideration. Please refer to Meraki